Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FPS drops and performance issues on NVIDIA. So the first step what you need to do here is to right click on your desktop, show more options, and then go to NVIDIA control panel. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then go to manage 3D settings. Make sure you are on global settings here. Then scroll down until you see shader cache size and make sure it's disabled. For you should be driver default, but make sure it's disabled, and then on the here save changes and then close this window here. Then the next step what you need to do here is to open up NVIDIA app, then go to drivers and make sure to download the latest version of your NVIDIA drivers here and wait until download process is done. After install latest drivers, then what you need to do here is to go and search and look for disk cleanup. Then here you then select the, if you have multiple ones, select the one that you're using, and then make sure is DirectX shader cache is selected here, and then select OK. Right? Wait for a couple of seconds until the process is done here. Of course, if you use multiple drivers, then you can go back and look for another one, and then just delete DirectX shader cache here as well if there is some here. After that, what you need to do next is to right click on your desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, go to manage 3D settings, scroll down until you see shader cache, and then here make sure it's driver default. Wait for a couple of seconds, apply, wait until it applies, and after that you can close this window and then restart your computer and the issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.